Hello everyone, welcome to my channel segment YouTube questions and topics. The informations of this video are from Google search and supportgoogle.com. Our question for today is, how will I know I qualify for Shorts Fun on YouTube? Creators will be told that they qualify via email and notification in the YouTube app after the first week of the month. Both the email and notification can include the amount of the bonus and instructions on how to claim it. Qualifying creators should get these notifications shortly after the first week of the month. They will have until the 25th of each month to claim their bonus, or it may expire. Missing a Shorts bonus email. Sometimes YouTube message can get caught by email filters. If you can't find YouTube bonus notification email, please check your spam folders. Important information. Google will never send unsolicited messages asking for your password or other personal information. Before clicking on a link, always check that email is sent from an @youtube.com or @google.com email address. I hope those information will help, and this is my reference of this video from supportgoogle.com. A million thanks to all my channel member. They are Jenilyn Mix Vlog, Katoto Kabutur Vlog, Mirasol Idlon TV, Ruth Joel, Ganya Official, Anji TV, and Bert Lambujo. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell of notification. See you next video. Bye.